guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aliyyah if you guys are new. In today's video, I'm going to be installing these lovely water curly clip-ins from Curlsqueen. The information for these clip-ins are going to be listed in the description box down below. They're the water curly clip-ins. They're 20 inches and clearly my hair is out. So we're going to braid this up. We're going to do something to it so that way we can put the curly clip-ins in. Since I'm not doing a leave out, I'm not gonna really braid my hair neatly. That's not really necessary for me to do that. So I'm just braiding my hair so that way the clip-ins can attach to it. Finally finished braiding my hair down. Like I said, my braid down didn't need to be 100% perfect because it's gonna be a no leave out clip-in hairstyle. So all I'm gonna do is crochet the ends of my braids into my hair so that way like nothing is hanging. I washed these and let them air dry. When I wore them the first time, they didn't even have that corn chip smell, so you don't even have to worry about that. So I'm gonna start with the clip that has the most pieces, of course, and I'm gonna just put that in. Is what it looks like so far. Okay, so now I'm about to put in the second clip. Now I'm just about to go in and put the rest of the clips in, and I'll come back when I get to the top part. I'm going under the clip. Oh yeah, I'm going under the clip, putting the hair through the loop. Oh, it's not gonna go. I put too much hair. Okay, so I had to stop doing this because the way I was doing it, it was honestly not coming out right at all. It did not look right. It was just looking completely bulky and not natural. So I ended up redoing it and it ended up coming out so much better, which you guys are going to see in the next clip. So I was doing it wrong. Forgive me. So I'm gonna take like a little piece over here. It doesn't have to be too small, but I put it through my hair first, like that's directly in front of the clip-in, if that makes sense. Bring it over, and then I'm just gonna flip it over like that, so that way it can blend in better. So I'm gonna keep doing that until like it's fully covered, of course. So now that it's like coming out a lot better, to be very honest with you, now I'm just gonna go through and do the rest of it right here, and then I'll be back. Now I'm just gonna wet the hair so that the curls are defined again, since I had to comb through it. And I just have water and conditioner in my spray bottle. Now this is what the part looks like, and this is my hair. Now I'm about to go in and just do my edges, and yeah. And there you have it, you guys. This is the final look. Shout out to Curlsqueen for these amazing clip-ins. Make sure you guys go check them out in the description box down below. Again, these are their water curly 20-inch clip-ins. It's human hair, and I did the no leave out method. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get to 600 subscribers. Let's do that. I believe we could do that. So let's do that. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video.